You know you should be using AI to turn texts and audios to image, right? In this video, I will show you how to use Filmora 14 to do just that and more. Filmora 14's AI tools help you turn long videos into viral shorts or convert images and audio into dynamic visuals. They have a new mind-blowing feature now, audio to video. Simply upload your audio, and AI generates synchronized video content that matches its tone and message, simplifying audio-visual creation. To use Filmora 14, I have included the link in the description below, so go ahead and start using Filmora to create engaging videos. Don't forget, this is REA Creators Lab. This channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest AI and online tools for your everyday workflow. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button now. Like and share this video, and also turn on the notification button for more videos like this. In case you don't know, I have been compiling a list of AI tools you should be using as a creator. Kindly follow the link below to explore them. Now let me show you how to use Filmora audio to video. First, follow the link to Filmora's website in the description below to download it. Then, click on the Audio to Video button. Next, add the audio file you want to use. Once that is done, select the audio language. Then, select the type of content. Choose the aspect ratio of the output video you want. Choose the duration of the video you want. Then, select the video style. Select the material template. And finally, generate the video. Let's see other things you can do with Filmora. Filmora creates short clips by splitting long videos into short clips for social media. Detects key moments using speech and visuals. Adds music, dynamic subtitles, and templates. Creates vertical videos instantly.
Welcome to our show. Today we have a lovely couple with us, Alex and Jamie.
Filmora AI copywriting uses the ChatGPT API for storytelling assistance. It generates AI-powered video ideas, scripts, titles, and descriptions. It also helps to seamlessly integrate compelling copy into video editing. It enhances content effortlessly with AI-driven writing support. The AI Copilot editing gives real-time video ideas and suggestions. It detects errors and prevents conflicting parameters. The AI streamlines the editing process with smart insights. Here's an example of the steps taken and the video created using Filmora's audio-to-video feature.
I bought an antique mirror for cheap. That night, as I brushed my teeth, my reflection smiled back at me. I wasn't smiling. Then it whispered, "You're not supposed to be here." I turned around. There was no one there.
That's it. You can now start creating your videos using Filmora. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get started. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. See you in the next video.